Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And Happy New Year. Thanks to everybody that supported my shows. And I got some late breaking news from Dave in 9EWO. It's his call sign. And he has a great web page. I've showed it to you several times. And he has some brand new news about a new radio that I didn't even know about. And I'm on his mailing list, so you want to join his group and get on his mailing list. And about 20 minutes ago, I got an email about this new radio. And it had a link to bring me to his webpage. So I came to his webpage, and I'm looking at, this is what I saw. I'm looking at this page, and I'm like, okay, I don't see the radio. No, I don't see the radio. No, this is old stuff that I've seen. No, I've already read this one. It's like, where's the article? You have to scroll way down. There it is. The new Sangean ATS-909X2. Now, I've reviewed my Sangean 909, but this is a replacement for the 909, and it says it's going to be released late January, February maybe. And here is a kind of a quick overview of what may be different. They're adding an airband. Their display is now showing 100 hertz digits. 10 hertz tuning on single sideband was 40. More memory channels with alpha tags. 5 bandwidth filter sections. Auto manual bandwidth switch on the right side. Improved internal battery charging circuit. Specifications given below. One-page product manual that he has a link to. And he says Amazon is showing this model with pictures. So I'm going to click on that. Let's click on that. Amazon. Okay, there it is. I'll be darned. Looks the case, the keys, the tuning dial, they all look the same, and the display looks the same. So I think it's all kind of firmware updates. You know, the extra bandwidth, the extra memory, and then the adding of the airband. What does it cost? Oh, available from these sellers. So let's click on that. What? Almost $1,200 plus free shipping. I don't think so. We're not going to go for that. Now, he did mention in his email that it was supposed to sell for like $400, which he thought was kind of high. And this one seller, let me go back to him or them, is Premium Service CA. It's got, no, wait a minute. It says it has 3,452 ratings. Oh, I guess for this company. I'm going to say it can't be for that radio. Okay. But $1,200? No, I don't think so. Anyway, go to Dave's website. Let me see if I can get back to that. Come on. There we go. So it's way down here on the bottom of this page that he provided the link for, which I will put in the description below, so you'll have the link also. And I want to thank Dave. He does a terrific job of reviewing radios, being right on the pulse of any radio news such as this one. And I don't know, I love my Sangean radio. It's not very sensitive with the built-in telescopic antenna, but with an external antenna, on shortwave, it's fantastic. And I love the display. So even if it's only $400, that's kind of out of my price range. But hopefully, you know, after it's been out for a while, the price will come down. That's it. Again, have a happy new year, and thanks to Dave. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye.